We are leaving the Grand Prairie Rotary Club campground, and I wanted to stop by Costco to get some fuel. So we drive to Costco, pull up to the fuel pump, and attempt to get some fuel, which I do. I'm using Leanne's card because my card had some fraudulent activity on it, and I had to cancel it. Citibank subsequently sent new cards to Florida, and we're in Canada, so we're using Leanne's card to make the purchases while we're on the road still. So we get to this Costco in Grand Prairie. I go up the tank and put in the card, and I'm able to get fuel started. And then Leanne comes up and it says, "Well, let's get my fuel." So I try to put the card in again, and it doesn't work. It was denied. Long story short, Citibank had halted any more activity on Leanne's card now. So I had to get in and call Citibank, and much of this video is the discussion that I had with Citibank. And we'll come to we finally got to a solution, and I'll do another recording at the end to sum up what happened there.
This lady maybe, or I'll just wait for her.
Yeah, just pull him out.
Okay.
It's going to take a while to fill this up because it doesn't have a big nozzle, I don't think.
Well, that's true. She's almost finished. Thank you for calling the city Costco. Thanks for responding to the alert. This is Daniel with Costco Farm.
They put me on hold.
Well, I guess we can just get gas somewhere else. Guess it's a good thing that they are monitoring that.
Yeah, I'm finished here, so it shut me off at $200.
Whether that's Costco or Citibank.
I only had a half a tank of fuel.
I do apologize for your hold. So I just have to further indicate that we are speaking to the correct person in regards to the account.
Yes.
We would like to send a one-time passcode to your cell phone.
Okay.
Could you verify their cell phone number? We do show three transaction attempts today for $147.44 at Costco Gas.
Yeah, I'm trying to fill up fuel right now. Yes.
Okay. And then we show that there were, okay. So we're going to go ahead and verify that activity for you. We'll go ahead and release the hold on the account. And I do show you received your new cards and they need to be activated, correct?
I've already activated one. The other one, I'm traveling and I don't have the card. They're at my home address. And so I'm still using my wife's card, and I don't want to activate it until I get back in September.
Okay, so give me just a second because I'm showing the card that you call in referencing the Leanne's card.
Yeah.
Needs to be activated.
No, I don't want to activate that card because I don't have it.
Okay.
I have to use the old card.
Correct. So we're not trying to activate your card. We're showing that Leanne's card needs to be activated.
No, I can't activate it. Otherwise, I don't have any credit card. You follow me? I don't have the new card. I'm in Canada, and the new card is in Florida.
Okay, no worries. We'll go ahead. We won't activate it right now.
Right. That's what I want you to do. Just wait until I get back, and I can activate it then.
Okay.
Copy?
No worries.
Okay.
We'll how to do that for you.
Okay, so here's the thing. I just bought 200 Canadian dollars worth of fuel, and it shut me off. Is that because there's a limit on the card, or is that a Costco thing?
It was a Costco thing. We just wanted to ensure that that was you because it wasn't within your normal area of using the card. Bear with me for just a moment. We're going to go ahead and update this for you.
Yeah, we're traveling. I put a travel notice on the account.
Yes, sir. I'm going to place you on a brief hold, so we'll go ahead and verify the activity and get that whole release stuff for you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
This is a nightmare. These people want to activate your new card.
Oh my Gosh, they cannot do that to us.
That's what I said.
Okay, the hold has been removed, and you should be able to use your card going forward.
Okay, good. So could you make a note that we're traveling? We're going to Alaska too, so we're going to be on the road for 3 months.
Okay, so we do have a travel suppression from May 20th to April 17th. Is that correct?
It was August.
I'm sorry, August 17th.
Yeah,
May
that's
20th to
yeah,
August 17th.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's as far as I could do it. So can you make it go
Okay.
longer for me? That's okay. Don't worry about that. I'll just go online and do it.
It's not going to allow me to do it that far out.
Okay, that's fine. Hey, I appreciate it. Let me see if this card will work before I hang up. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. That's fine.
Thank you. Okay, my card was declined again.
Okay. Could you provide me the last 4 digits of the card number? Use the card now with Alexa.
Okay, let me try it. It was declined again.
I may have to get you over to customer service because it shouldn't be declining. We have removed the fraud alert on there.
I think I just got another fraud alert. Yeah, I just got another one.
Okay, bear with me for just a moment. As I'm still in your account, so I can connect it to you. Bear with me. Do you mind if I place you back on a brief hold, Mr. Letson?
No, that's fine.
Okay, thank you.
So all of the activity or all of the time that I spent at Costco trying to get fuel, it took us more than 45 minutes to get this card issue straightened out. And ultimately what happened was they had to go to a manager of the department, and they had to take off some kind of hold on the card. If you use the card in a contactless way, they did not have that set up in the security settings to remove the fraud alert. That's what happened. It took 45 minutes. We finally got enough fuel. We got the truck hooked up, and we got on the road. And at the end of this ordeal, we had a chance to talk to all 3 of our children, and that made a bad morning a lot better.
We talked to all 3 of our children.
Yes, we did.
That was nice.
It is. It was a feel-good morning.